You're staring at a blank DAW, wondering why you can't finish a song, and every time you try writing something, it sounds like a 13-year-old's diary entry set to 4 chords. I'm about to give you the exact formula that professional songwriters use to write songs that actually stick in people's heads. And no, it's not some mystical talent you're born with. This formula is all about finding a writable idea, the combination of a concept, a title, and a song map. 3 things, that's it. Master these and you'll never sit there drowning in half-finished garbage again. First up, the concept. Having a concept means having a clear idea of what you want to write about. Not just love, heartbreak, or some vague emotion you can't explain. You need something that has that special oh damn factor, that twist or unique perspective that makes people pay attention. If you pitch me a song called Love Hurts, I'm already asleep. But if you tell me it's about slow dancing in a burning room, now I'm listening. That's a relationship on the brink of collapse, specific enough to actually write something interesting. Stop being vague. Your concept needs to be clear enough that someone could picture exactly what emotional journey you're taking them on. Next, the title. This is where most people screw everything up. A title gives you destination, which gives you direction. If you give me 100 songs to listen to, I can just look at the titles and immediately know which ones might be interesting. Your title is the first thing people see on Spotify. It's what makes them click or scroll past. Keep a running list of title ideas in your phone or a notebook. Whenever inspiration strikes or someone says something clever or emotionally charged in conversation, write it down. The best titles make you stop and think, wait, that's actually brilliant. Not generic stuff like Without You or I Miss You. Those have been done a billion times. Nobody cares anymore. Now for the secret weapon that separates amateurs from pros, the song map. A song map is your blueprint, a plan for how your idea will evolve as the song progresses. It's how you make sure your track doesn't just repeat the same emotion 3 times like a broken record. For example, one common structure is problem, intensification, escalation. Start with the narrator sensing a problem, then tension builds, and finally everything blows up. That's emotional progression. Another example, situation, context, consequence. You start in the present, zoom out to show how it happened, then reveal the fallout. That's structure. You know exactly what each section needs to accomplish. You're not just throwing words at a wall hoping something sticks. The verse is your storytelling zone. This is where the song develops. But here's what nobody tells you. Today, verses need hooks too. You can't afford for them to be boring filler that people skip. The first line should grab attention instantly. Something memorable, rhythmic, or unexpected. Every line needs to earn its spot. Now, the chorus. This is where your title lives. The chorus is the culmination of your big idea, the emotional core of your song. The key to writing a great hook is simplicity. Long, complex hooks are forgettable. A powerful hook is often 1 or 2 lines that hit hard and are easy to remember. Most hooks start on the root note to give that feeling of emotional arrival. That's intentional songwriting, not luck. Next, structure. You can't just toss verses and choruses around randomly. The standard pop structure goes intro, verse, chorus, bridge, chorus, outro. That's your A-B-A-B-C-B layout. A is the verse, B is the chorus, C is the bridge. It's the perfect beginner structure because it works. Don't try to reinvent the wheel before you learn how it spins. Once you understand it, then you can experiment and bend the rules. Most hit songs follow some version of this because it's efficient. It builds tension, releases it, and keeps listeners hooked. But here's the twist. Once you understand the formula, you have to add your voice. Every songwriter who breaks the mold first mastered it. For instance, some pros write the melody before the lyrics, treating the words as tools to serve rhythm and emotion, rather than logic. Others build everything around the title. The point is, find what works for you and make it repeatable. So here's what you need to do right now. Stop overthinking. Set aside an hour. Come up with title ideas, slang, phrases, weird thoughts, overheard lines. Build your title database. Pick one concept that excites you. Choose your song map and write. And if you want more no-nonsense songwriting advice that actually makes you better, hit subscribe because we're just getting started. Now stop watching and go write something.